Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actions. Open VSCode and ensure the Flutter extension is active. This gives you commands and device pickers. Once done, run Flutter Doctor in the integrated terminal so you spot missing components immediately. Make sure the Android SDK path is set and a DB works. Next, create or open your Flutter project and check launch, JSON, and settings for the Dart. Flutter configuration so the environment is ready. You now start the emulator and wire VSCode to it. Use AVD Manager from Android Studio or run Flutter emulators to see and launch a virtual device. This creates consistent screen size and API level. Once the emulator boots, return to VSCode and pick that device from the lower right device selector so your run command targets it. If you prefer, keep the integrated terminal visible and run Flutter run to stream logs and interact with the app while debugging. You finish by launching and validating the app on the emulator. Hit F5 or run Flutter run to build and deploy. Expect compilation messages and then the app UI. Use hot reload frequently to iterate quickly and hot restart if state mismatches occur. If deployment fails, first check a DB connection and that the emulator image supports Google APIs, then rerun Flutter Doctor for specific errors. If necessary, cold reboot the emulator and reinstall app to clear stale state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.